Hi, it's Angeline here. I'm back with another crafty video with Unity stamp, and today I'm gonna show you how I colored this beautiful florals using some mermaid markers. The stamp I'm using today is the Gina K Designs Unity stamp called Friendship Blooms, and I've stamped it on some watercolor cardstock, and I'm grabbing my Jane Davenport mermaid markers to color them in. So I'm starting off with the color called Starfish, and I'm just dabbing some color at the base of each of the petals. And next I'm just going to grab my water brush here and just dragging the colors out to the petals. And as you can see, a little goes a long way, so you don't have to add so much color, but just drag the colors out and it will create a gradient for each of your petal. For the leaves, I'm using the color Seaweed and Siren and just mixing them together, and then using my water brush to just blend the colors in. Next, I'm grabbing some purples to color in the entire background. I'm starting off with the darker purple here called Deep Sea, and I'm just dabbing some around the border and then using my water brush to just blend all the colors in. Next, I'm grabbing the lighter purple shade called Jellyfish and just filling up the rest of the background. For my sentiment, I'm using the color Pirate's Gold and just filling up the border of the sentiment and just dragging the colors in towards the middle to create a lighter gradient. So here is my finished card. I hope you enjoyed this quick tip technique and do try it out for yourself. Thanks for watching. Bye!